है मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए 100 दर्द सहे। महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे। मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे। फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा, जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे।
Manoj Augustine, School Principal Reverend Father Sebastian Anthony, Manager Brother Ravi, HR Reverend Father Tijesh, Vice Principal Sabita Ma'am, Coordinator Sister Sheba, Pre-Primary Coordinator Sister Binsi, dear teachers, parents and my dear friends. Today is a special day in the life of our school, as we induct our leaders for this year. On behalf of Divine Providence School, Bangalore, it is our privilege to extend a hearty welcome to you all to this very momentous occasion of Independence Day celebration and investiture ceremony. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th of August of every year to commemorate the nation's struggle for freedom. It reminds us of the sacrifices of the freedom fighters. We feel proud to welcome our chief guest, Reverend Father Manoj Augustine, to this special event. Father, your presence itself is an inspiration to all of us. Let us invite the school head boy, Aiden Vibin, and head girl, Ishani Dinesh, to honor the chief guest. Let's begin this aspiring day with prayers to God. I would like to invite our chief guest, Reverend Father Manoj Augustine, and school principal, Reverend Father Sebastian Anthony, to light the lamp.
Asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya Mrityorma amritam gamaya salvesham.
Thank you, Father. Thank you, Principal Father. Thank you, everyone. Please be seated. We would like to welcome our chief guest to hoist the national flag. stand up to honor our beautiful Mother India. Now, I would like to invite our principal, Reverend Father Sebastian Anthony, to share his thoughts to us.
Reverend Father Manoj, our chairman, dear Father Tijish, the HR, Brother Ravi, the manager, Sabita Ma'am, our vice principal, Sister Sheba, our coordinator, and Sister Binsi, our pre-primary coordinator, dear teachers, students, and you dear parents. It's been 75 years that we experience the freedom. And probably great many among you haven't experienced the situation without freedom. So to say, we do not really know how to be not free and to enjoy the freedom later on. But our forefathers, the freedom fighters, the great many of them who have sacrificed their lives, their energy, their comfort for giving us this freedom, not value, not the pain behind it. And when today, when India has grown from that scrap to the skies today, we have not just the freedom with us, but a great responsibility to experience and to exercise this freedom in today's world. We speak about the fundamental freedom. Say for example, the freedom of speech. It does not allow you to speak whatever you want, but it calls for a responsibility to speak with clear vision, to speak with clear understanding, to speak what is truth. The freedom to express anything you want does not allow you to express whatever you want, but what is good for you and for the society. Hence, the freedom we experience today is our responsibility and response to those who gained it for us. It is our reward back to them for their untiring effort. 75 years ago, on 15th August in the midnight, nobody might have been waiting for this day. But today we have been waiting, preparing ourselves, knowing that this day is something so important. And as English saying goes, familiarity breeds contempt. While being in India, we may not really have that enthusiasm or thrill to celebrate this day. Of course, we do celebrate. But outside India, when someone is staying away from their motherland, they really feel the pinch of losing that taste of motherland, the breath, the comfort of their motherland, and they celebrate it all the more vigorously. That same vigor of being the sons and daughters of this motherland should be there within us, even now, even here, even today. Because this is something so precious which many others are not experiencing even today. Many others do not have the freedom to speak what they want, to live how they want. It is something that we have as a precious gift. Let's experience it. Let us celebrate it every day. Let us celebrate it with responsibility. I wish all the divinites, all the members who come over here to be part of this great nation building process, this great endeavor that we have begun here. May God bless us all abundantly to be citizens of India for the greater glory of our nation. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, Father. Your words has always been a great source of inspiration to us.
Respect to teachers and my dear friends. This day is a special day for all proud Indians. It has been long 75 years India became independent. India is known for unity in diversity. Use different culture, language to blend it like 7 colors of a rainbow. Let's take a pledge today that we will foster brotherhood, helps unity and one India, one people. Jai Hind!
Hi, my name is Lila Dargoda. I am page 2 Lands on Independence Day. Good morning to all. Respected principal, honorable chief guest, teachers and friends and my dear friends. Let me wish you a very happy Independence Day. On 15th August 1947, we got Independence Day from British rule. We should celebrate this day, take their spirit. We should remember with their great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose and others. And peaceful life that we are living today just because of their sacrifice. Let's stand up together to make our country the best country in the world. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Let's begin with the investiture ceremony with a beautiful musical performance prepared by Vibin Sir and his team.
Thank you, sir and friends. It was indeed melodious. I would now like to welcome the elected candidates. School head boy, Aiden Vibin of grade 7A. School head girl, Ishani Dinesh of grade 8A. Cultural secretary, Joanna Albina Sequeira of grade 7A. Sports secretary, Nagalan of grade 7B. Let me take this opportunity to invite our chairman father and principal father onto the stage to honor the elected candidates. Aiden, a bright and cheerful student with a lot of enthusiasm. Aiden, kindly come forward with your parents. Ishani, you're a real star. You put a lot of effort into everything you do. You're very conscientious. Ishani, kindly come forward with your parents. Thank you. Joanna, a good musician, a diligent student with so many imaginative and creative ideas. Joanna, kindly come forward with your parents. Perfect sportsman to participate in the national level for Taekwondo event held this year. Nagaland, kindly come forward with your parents. May I now invite our principal father to administer the oath-taking ceremony.
I do solemnly swear to do my very best in performing the duties of the Divine Providence School Students' Council, and I will proudly lead my peers and openly listen to their concerns. Throughout the academic year, I will up in academic efforts, social skills, and work habits. I understand I cannot miss more than 3 Students' Council meetings throughout the year. At all times, I will be an exemplary model for all to see. I will be asked to leave Students' Council, if I do not meet the set requirements.
Thank you, Father. Here is a wonderful group of dancers to gift us a visual treat. We welcome Lakshmi Ma'am and team onto the stage.
Janana janana tanana tanana tom, janana janana tanana tanana tom, janana janana tanana tanana janana janana tanana tanana tom tom, janana janana tanana tanana tom tom, janana janana tanana tanana गीत धुनी को तक धीम नात्र केट तो नाच रहे गोरी ताई 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 तो फिर तो गीत धुनी को तक धीम नात्र केट तो नाच रहे गोरी ताई 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 तो फिर तो गीत धुनी को तक धीम नात्र केट तो नाच रहे गोरी ताई 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 तो फिर तो गीत धुनी को तक तान गावे तकतल तै तै तान गावे तकतल तै 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 तकतना धीम तकिट तक धीम धीम तकिट तक धीम धीम तकिट तक धीम हट तो हट गीत धुनी को तक धीम
दिन नाचा जो ट्विटर पे ट्रेंड हो गया, नासिक के ढोल पे धन 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 नाचा तो सबका दी एंड हो गया। मेरे इशारे पे तो दिन दिन नाचा जो ट्विटर पे ट्रेंड हो गया, नाचा तो सबका दी एंड हो गया। सारी दुनिया में एक ही फेमस है, मुंबई हो या और दिखा दूं तुझे मेरा वाला डांस, ये मेरा वाला डांस तो नाचू, ये मेरा वाला डांस तो नाचू, wanna dance. सर पे ये केसरी रंग सजाया है। ऐ मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए 100 दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे। हाँ मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। सरसों से भरे खलियान मेरे जहाँ झूम के भंगड़ा पा न सका, आबाद रहे वो गांव मेरा जहाँ लौट के वापस जा न सका।
Hello everyone, my name is Aiden Vibin. As we all know, the COVID-19 virus has been haunting us all over the world. Thus, we need to be a responsible citizen and be safe for ourselves and for our community. We can be safe by doing the following things. Wash your hands regularly or use hand sanitizers. Wear a face mask whenever you go outside. Maintain social distancing and try not to step out of the house or only go outside when it's really necessary. Be a responsible citizen. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am and friends. That was a spectacular feast. Now, we have Aiden, the head boy, who is going to express our gratitude to everyone who has made this event really a great one.
It gives me an immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks for this event to you all gathered here. I would like to thank our chief guest, Reverend Father Manoj Augustine, who honored this function with his presence. I would like to thank our dear principal, Reverend Father Sebastian Anthony, a great leader and visionary. It is time to express our gratitude to the manager, Brother Ravi. Thank you, brother, for your immense support and care. Let us extend our thankfulness to the HR, Reverend Father Tijesh, a great well-wisher of the student community. Let's express our gratitude to Vice Principal Savita Ma'am, who is a strong mentor and motivator. We would like to extend a hearty vote of thanks to Sister Sheba, our coordinator, a great supporter of our academics. Let's express our gratitude to Sister Binsi, the pre-primary coordinator, who is always a motivation to all. Our sincere thanks to all the teachers for giving an excellent learning experience to us. We would like to express our special thanks to Chitra ma'am, who helped us in the MC, Venkatesh sir, who helped the band team, Vibin sir, who trained the choir group, Vijay Lakshmi ma'am, for her valuable contribution to the dance group, and all the supporting staff to make this day a wonderful experience. Dear parents, without you, this event wouldn't even have been such a great success. Thank you so much. Dear friends, thank you all for your undying enthusiasm and attitude that has made this ceremony an everlasting memory. Thank you.